Hello students, today we will start our lesson 7 of supplementary book Movements. Chapter name is The Last Leaf, that is written by O. Henry. Firstly, I am discussing the short summary of this chapter. The Last Leaf is a short story by O. Henry published in 1907 in his collection The Trimmed Lamp and Other Stories. The story is set in Greenwich Village during a न्यूमोनिया एपिडेमिक. जो स्टोरी है वो ग्रीनविच विलेज के अंदर सेट है ड्यूरिंग अ टाइम ऑफ न्यूमोनिया एपिडेमिक. It tells the story of an old artist who saves the life of a young neighboring artist dying of pneumonia by giving her the will to live. Through her window, she can see an old vine growing on a nearby wall, gradually shedding its leaves of autumn turns into winter, and she has taken the thought into her head that she will die. When the last leaf falls, the leaves fall day by day, but the last lone leaf stays on for several days. The ill woman's health quickly recovers. At the story's end, we learn that the old artist who always wanted to produce a masterpiece painting but had never had any success spent considerable time painting with green this leaf in a leaf on the wall for the whole night. Furthermore, the old artist himself dies of pneumonia contracted while being out in the wet and cold. Now, we will start our chapter line to line explanation. The last leaf. It is autumn. The wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? It is the autumn season and the wind is blowing hard. आपको पता है autumn season में wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily, and all the leaves on the trees start to fall. And in that story also, all the leaves on an ivy creeper means type of creeper क्या होती है? एक बेल. Have fallen, but one leaf left. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? कि last वाला जो leaf है वो क्यों नहीं गिरा? Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. In this chapter, two young artists, they were living together in a small flat, and the flat was on the third story. तीसरी मंजिल पर है on the old house. Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November, and Johnsy, one of the artists, fell ill in November. She had pneumonia. At that time, there was pneumonia epidemic in that Greenwich village. She would lie in her bed without moving. As she was suffering from pneumonia, so she was lying on her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Gazing out means she was looking continuously at the ivy creeper which was outside the window from her room. Sue, who was her friend, became very worried. She sent for the doctor. Sue was very worried for Johnsy, so she called the doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in Johnsy's conditions. Doctor was coming continuously for the checking up of Johnsy, but there was no recovery in Johnsy's condition. One day, the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Johnsy?" One day, when there was no improvement in Johnsy's condition, then doctor took Sue in one corner of the house and asked whether Johnsy was thinking some serious matter. "No," replied Sue. "Why do you ask?" Sue replied, "No, she was not. She didn't have any worry. So, why she was not taking her improvement?" Doctor said, "Johnsy, it seems हैज़ मेड अप हर माइंड दैट शी इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू गेट वेल, कि इसने अपने माइंड में सेटिंग कर ली है, किसने सेटिंग कर ली है, कि जॉन्सी ने, कि अब वो कभी ठीक नहीं हो पाएगी। जब हम अपने मन में, हमारी साइकोलॉजी में, हमारे माइंड में कुछ सेट कर लेते हैं तो वही होता है। ऐसा ही जॉन्सी ने अपने माइंड में सेट कर लिया है कि वो अब कभी ठीक नहीं होगी, बिकॉज शी वॉज कनेक्टिंग हर लाइफ विद द फॉलिंग लीव्स ऑफ आइवी क्रीपर। she did and the doctor also said that she doesn't want to live, medicines will not help her, कि उसने जीने की इच्छा छोड़ दी है। किसने जीने की इच्छा छोड़ दी है? जॉन्सी ने। और जो मेडिसिन है वो कब इफेक्ट करती है? जब हम भी जीना चाहते हैं। शी ट्राइड हर बेस्ट टू मेक जॉन्सी टेक एन इंटरेस्ट इन थिंग्स अराउंड हर, शी टॉक्ड अबाउट क्लोथ्स, फैशंस, बट जॉन्सी डिडंट रिस्पॉन्ड। Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board in Johnsy's room and started painting. To take Johnsy's mind off her illness, she whistled while working. As the doctor had said to the Sue that she was not taking interest in her life, so Sue was trying her best to create Johnsy's interest in her life. So she continuously was talking about clothes, fashion, and Johnsy was not giving any response to Sue. Johnsy continued to lie on her bed and she was looking continuously at the falling leaves of ivy creeper. And Sue, as they were artists, Sue brought her drawing board. जो Sue है वो ड्राइंग करने वाला बोर्ड स्यू के रूम, जॉन्सी के रूम में लाती है, एंड स्टार्टेड विस्लिंग, स्टार्टेड पेंटिंग, बट दैट डजंट चेंज जॉन्सीज माइंड. सडनली शी हर्ड Johnsy whisper something. Suddenly, when the Sue was in Johnsy's room, at that time Johnsy was lying on her bed in her room. She was counting downwards. मतलब वो उल्टी गिनती गिन रही है. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy's counting backwards. She looked out of the window and was saying 12. After some time she whispered मतलब spoke slowly, 11, then 10, then 9, then 8, then 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. When Johnsy was counting downwards and watching the window continuously, at that time Sue went to her and checked what was she doing. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing half up to the brick wall opposite their window. अब वो क्या देखती है कि उसकी विंडो के बाहर एक आइवी क्रीपर है, एक बेल है. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. At the wind was strong, at that time the leaves of ivy creeper were falling continuously. What is it, dear? Sue asked. 6, whispered Johnsy. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. Now the Johnsy said to Sue that 3 years ago there were 100 of leaves on that ivy creeper. Now there are only very few left. It's autumn, said Sue. अब सू उसको कंफर्म करके कह रही है कि ये तो ऑटम सीजन है. ऑटम सीजन के अंदर तो लीव्स गिरते ही हैं, जब गिरेंगे तभी तो स्प्रिंग सीजन में न्यू लीव्स आएंगे. When the last leaf falls, and the Johnsy said that when the last leaf of that ivy creeper falls, after that she will also die, कि वो भी मर जाएगी. Because Johnsy was connecting her life with the falling leaves of ivy creeper. Oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? कि there is no connection between falling leaves on the ivy creeper and Johnsy's illness. The doctor is confident. Then the Sue said that doctor is confident that you will get better. Johnsy didn't say anything. Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. मतलब उसके Sue के कहने का उसके ऊपर कोई असर नहीं हुआ. मतलब उसको बहुत समझाया Sue ने, कोई असर नहीं हुआ. और then Sue went into the kitchen and brought a bowl of soup for Johnsy. Then Johnsy denied to take soup. I'm not hungry now. There are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. और Johnsy was waiting for the falling of last leaf on the ivy creeper. There were only 4 leaves left. Then she said that she will also sleep forever when the last leaf falls. Sue sat on Johnson's bed. जो Sue है वो अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रही है कि जॉन्सी को लाइफ के अंदर इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट कर दे, उसके पास बैठती है. She kissed her and said, "You are not going to die." Then she understood her कि you are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. कि मैं अब कर्टेन को नहीं करूँगी. I need for I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. कि जो है अब मुझे पेंटिंग फिनिश करते हैं हम, क्योंकि get some money for us, कि अब मुझे कुछ पैसों की ज़रूरत है. अगर पेंटिंग करेंगे, वो आर्टिस्ट हैं और आर्टिस्ट हैं तो उनको उनकी कमाई कहाँ से आती है? पेंटिंग से. कहती कि अब मैं कर्टेन को ड्रॉ द कर्टेन नहीं कर सकती, अब तुम बाहर मत देखना प्लीज़. Thank you so much students. Now you have to read the lesson thoroughly from the text and listen the video.